just going to run through the smart shares list. Today things looked pretty good for most of them. Click on the outside on the chart, you can scroll down and up using your scroller. So Australian financials up 2%, US mid cap up nearly 2%, US small caps up nearly 2%. Right, and I'll just click through them and you can see those are my targets. Should go back to that one, I think, because I didn't bring that one in. That's the overall direction of Australian resources, and we know companies need resources, so no brainer really. Don't forget, technically all these ETFs are a conglomerate of all the companies in those sectors, and basically they are all great businesses that were temporarily under pressure. Right? The pressure being the virus. That's the only reason they've dropped. I've said that before. So I've got to pull them in a bit quicker, a bit more. There's no reason in the world why any of these ETFs will not return to previous levels. NZ cash looking a bit sad. You can download the list in the description and maybe follow along. The good thing about ETFs is it is reasonably risk-free. You don't have to, worry about return on assets and net profits for the year and PE ratios and all that palaver. Alright? I'll be covering that shortly, but ETFs are an easy, good start. If you open an account in Shareies, just look on the internet, go to Shareies. I've got to open an account myself. I'm with another broker at the moment, CMC Markets, but I will be opening an account with Shareies, $1.50 a month to buy and sell shares. You can't complain about that. A lot more people are starting to use them. A lot of people on the internet, on YouTube even, go and have a look, showing you how to sign up for Shareies, showing you their Shareies portfolio. It's a good way to save money. That's what this channel is about, trying to help people save some money, make money. And I think you can do a lot better job than the fund managers do for Kiwi savers. Alright? It's not science. They have big massive amounts of money to deal with, and they can't move it around as quickly and freely as an individual can. And they just sit there and watch markets drop and do nothing. Whereas we can sell. If you do have an account with CMC Markets, you can sell these sorts of things as well and buy them. So that's that list. We'll just have a quick look at FinViz, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, technically down just a little bit on where it started from. We'll go and have a look at SPY list. I keep forgetting which one to put my drawing on. This one. Right, so as you can see, we've just hit this monthly candle high. I would normally set it just a little bit below myself, the top of that candle. But on a monthly chart, that's where it is. So you can see we're looking at a bit of a pullback anyway. If I adjust this previous pattern from 2008 stock market crash and move it into form fitted, because that's what I'm finding works reasonably well. Follow these patterns. This is the 2008 pattern. Look how accurately it has followed it. It's uncanny, right, in my opinion. Right, we could be looking at a bit of a sell-off here. Who knows, a bit of a bounce, and I wouldn't be surprised because this is quite a significant resistance level. Be a double top, another little bounce, triple top, could even go lower, bounce, double bottom, and then head back up again. That could play out, who knows. You have to watch it, listen to the news. But overall, where does the S&P 500 go? Upwards. That's all it's ever done in the long-term scheme of things. And if that's the case, all stock exchanges will head up because we all follow the US stock market. New Zealand opens first on a Monday, but we still follow what happens to the US market the day after. Right, let's have a quick look at some news. Where is the Herald? I found basically one thing to help support the economy. Wage subsidy boosts, 40,000 more firms to get help. Okay, so every government is doing their best to prop up and stimulate spending in the economy. So that's a good sign. Here's the fair gauge, 67. Might see that dropping a bit. Here's invest.com on the SPY. It's still saying buy, but that might roll over. Summary, strong buy. Okay. Candles, really you just sort of, if there's a whole lot of negative candles, start to take a bit of notice. And I think that's about it, really. That's all you need to know. So I'll leave you with the quote, and the quote is, "The world of investing can be cold and hard, but if you do thorough research and keep your head on straight, your chances of long-term success are good." Easy as that. Now, don't forget you can download the list, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Any ideas you have or anything you want me to look up, let me know in the comments. Apart from that, take care, have a good day.